Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into both your PSN and Epic accounts so voice links correctly. This prevents account conflicts. Next, plug your headset into the dual Ps4 or use a USB/optical adapter and make sure the mic isn't muted while volume is audible. Then go to Ps4 settings to allow microphone access and open Fortnite's audio settings. This sets in-game voice to recognize your input. Once done, you'll be ready to join voice channels and matches. Now you configure Fortnite itself so teammates hear you. In Settings, switch voice chat to on, then choose Open Mic if you want continuous transmission or push-to-talk if you prefer control. Push-to-talk reduces background noise. Make sure voice channel is set to party or team depending on who you want to talk with, and raise microphone volume until your test sounds clear. If latency appears, try lowering output quality or switching from open to party chat. These choices affect clarity and privacy. Finally, join your squad or a party and check for green speaker icons over player names so you know who's broadcasting. Use the Ps4 party overlay to mute individuals or toggle your mic. This solves privacy or noise issues mid-game. If teammates can't hear you, test the headset on a phone to isolate hardware problems and restart Fortnite or the console to refresh permissions. If problems persist, switch to push-to-talk or recreate the party. These steps usually restore reliable voice chat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.